Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. And today's video will be our stay at Embassy Suites in Niagara Falls, Canada. Raised the price for on-site parking to $60. It was $50. And the weekend's coming, so they raised it to $60. Off-site's $35. That's per night. We'll be going into the 1 king bed, sofa bed, Canadian US Falls View Suite. We'll be going into the 2 queen bed, sofa bed, Whirlpool, Canadian US Falls View Suite. And then the 3 queen bed, Canadian US Falls View Suite. So this is the lobby area of the hotel. And you'll notice the social distancing markers on the floor. And here's the hotel gift shop. When booking your hotel room, if you want a view of both falls, make sure the Canadian and US falls is marked down. Otherwise, you may get a view of just one of the falls, or a city view. So this is our stay on several locations. So during our stay, during the pandemic, we did not use the fitness center or the swimming pool. You'll notice in front of the hotel rooms, they have stickers. Once a guest enters the room, the seal will be broken, so you'll know that if somebody is staying beside you. So during this stay, nobody was on either side of us. So here we are entering our room, 4002 on the 40th floor. This is the first room that you enter with the sofa bed, the TV, and the desk, sink, fridge, and microwave. So after leaving the room, you go down the hallway. On your right is the washroom, and straight ahead is the king-size bed, closet, and you got a little viewing area with a single window. So you get a breathtaking view of the falls, and here's your view from the 40th floor from the king-size suite. And you can hear the thunder of the falls from your room. This is our room. You get a sofa couch, get the TV, 42-inch desk here. The fridge. Here's the microwave. Here's our washroom with the jacuzzi. You can open the door, window, see the bedroom. Oh, you got a shower. Fridge. Oh, it's not that cool. And 2 queen beds. Yes, that's a 42-inch TV. And here's the view. So we're on the 21st floor, room 2102. 2102?
Yeah, chum.
So in the 2 queen bed suite, you get 2 windows side by side. Bottom right window, you can open it up. You'll notice that the bed's right by the window, so you may get the reflection in your photos. Be safe. So this is a 3-bedroom suite. So in the first room you get TV, queen size bed, and a table, desk. Then here you get the bathroom with a jacuzzi. Here's the sink with the microwave. Get the fridge.
Basically, it's a bar fridge like most hotels. Oh, and you get the orange juice, apple, muffin. You get a water too for your breakfast, complimentary breakfast because of the COVID chair. 2 queen size beds. And the window opens and jacuzzi. And here's your view. We're on the 31st floor, 3108. So in the king size suite, you basically get 1 window. These double queen size suite, you get 2 windows. So, but you pay for the view of the falls. This spectacular view of the falls. You can hear the rumble of the falls. And you can see the people down there. And there's the Oaks beside us, hotel. The casino straight ahead.
And in my opinion, this is one of the best hotel views of Niagara Falls. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hope to see you at our next video.